के नरगे में, मैं कुर्बान है मुझे नाजो नियम से पालने वाले, मसाइब आने वाले दम जदन में टालने वाले। इमाम अली मकाम रोज़ा रसूल पर रोते हुए जो कुछ कह रहे हैं, शायर तर्जमानी कर रहा है। ओ मुझे कंधों पर उठाने वाले नाना, मुझे चूमने वाले नाना, मैं सजदे में पुश्त पर चढ़ जाऊं तो सजदा लंबा कर देने वाले नाना, आज आपके मदीने में मेरा रहना मुश्किल हो गया है। हमारी बेकसी दरमांदगी की लाज रख लेना, हमें नजरों में अपनी साहिबे मेराज रख लेना। बस अब किबलाए दी मुझको जाने की इजाजत हो, लबे अतहर से फरमा दो हुसैन अब जाओ रुखसत हो। मदीने से शहे कौनैन का नूरे नजर निकला, वतन से बेवतन हो कर वतन का ताजवर निकला। Imam with his family, he left Medina and went towards Makkah. Those people know about history of Islam. They know in time of Hazrat Ali, the capital of Muslim government, Hazrat Ali transferred from Medina to Kufa. Kufa is a city in Iraq. And Kufa people call themselves Shi'ane Ali. Repeat these words.
Shi'ane Ali.
Again.
Shi'ane Ali.
Shia is plural. Shia is singular. Shi'an is plural. Shi'ane Ali, Hazrat Ali's party. Or in other way they translate lovers of Hazrat Ali. They call themselves who? Kufa people. Who? Iraqi. What they call themselves? This you must have to remember. Shi'ane Ali. They call, we are Hazrat Ali's party, we love of Hazrat Ali, we lovers of Hazrat Ali. That time they got news that Hazrat Imam Hussain left Medina and came in Makkah, and he did not accept Yazid as ruler. So they sent letter that time to Imam Hussain. We don't like Yazid. We don't want to accept Yazid. You did not accept. We are happy. You are our Imam. You are our leader. You are our guide. So don't stay in Makkah. Come to Kufa. We will make bayat on your hand and we will fight with you. We will give you our life. We will give you everything. So you don't stay in Makkah. Come. That time was not electrical advancement like today. People go by walk, by horse, by camel. According to Ahlus Sunnah, within 2 months, 150 letters came to Hazrat Imam Hussain from Iraq and Kufa. How many? And according to Shia writer, 12,000 letters came. Name of book if you want, Maqtal Ibn Numma. That name of book written by Shiites. If we count 150 letter also, big amount that time, without facilities, this not only people came, delegation, 4 people, 5 people delegation, 20 people delegation, and they told to Imam Hussain, if today you not accepting our invitation, so we will take bayat on Yazid hand, and tomorrow if Allah will ask on day of judgment, we will say, we called Imam, we went to Imam, we gave him surety about life and wealth and everything, but he did not accept our invitation. So we were helpless. That's why we took bayat on Yazid. So if Allah will call us criminal, you are responsible for us. That kind of, talk and in writing as well and verbal, they said, Imam did not accept. Imam sent his cousin, Chachazad Bhai, son of his Kaka. Many people call Chacha as Kaka. Apne brother Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil, he sent to him, go as eyewitness, go personally, observe properly, and let me know. If you will tell me that everything is okay, then I will also come. Hazrat Imam Muslim went, and within 1 week, 18,000 Kufi people came to him and they took his bayat, and every person that have come, he will take oath, front of all witnesses, he will take oath, I will give my life, I will give my wealth, and I won't leave you alone, I will fight for you. That kind of, that what you call, उसको क्या कहते हैं, कहतनामे को, agreement कह दें, जो भी, that kind of, they make promise and everything. 18,000 people within a week. Hazrat Imam Muslim same time wrote a letter to Imam Hussain. I came within week, 18,000 people became all murid and they gave me all vote. So if you will come, what will the condition? So don't stay in Makkah. When you receive my letter, same time move and come. That person took letter from Imam Muslim. He left for Makkah. और उस वक्त तकदीर के जो अहकाम नाफिज हो चुके थे, वो अपना रंग दिखाने लगे. We can't fight with Taqdeer, destiny. Two people in Kufa, they wrote letter to Yazid, you sleeping in Damascus, whatever happening here, Kufa, come and see. From Imam Muslim, person is here, people going to him, and tomorrow, if they take your chair, don't say anything, we are all in your well-wisher, we informing you. Ibn Ziyad, that person you heard name, his name was Ubaidullah Ibn Ziyad. Yazid appointed him as governor of Kufa. Read Tarikh Tabri, read Tarikh Kamil bin Ibn Asir. Yazid gave him all the power to Ibn Ziyad. Go Kufa and do whatever you have to do. Even that words in Tarikh Kamil Ibn Asir, if you have to kill Imam Hussain, you do it. Ma'azallah. Today those people say, no, Ibn Ziyad ne kiya, Yazid ne nahi kiya. तो Ibn Ziyad को अपॉइंट किसने किया? पावर किसने दिए? राइट्स किसने दिए थे? क्या Ibn Ziyad ने अपनी मर्जी से किया था? Never. So those people think about Yazid, they must think about their ईमान. वो यजीद को तो नहीं बचाएंगे, अपना ईमान भी बर्बाद कर देंगे. हजरत इमाम मुस्लिम के लिए वो टाइम ऐसा था जैसे गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी. 40,000 people with him, and he was around the governor house today. We can say Kasre Imarat, जो उनका बादशाह का पैलेस था. Only 50 people inside with Ibn Ziyad in Kufa, and with Hazrat Imam Muslim, how many? 40,000. If he announced that time, okay, attack, वो 50 people क्या करते? इनको पावर मिल जाती. मगर अल्लाह वाले टेररिस्ट नहीं होते, अल्लाह वाले फसाद नहीं करते, अल्लाह वाले कभी भी कोई बुरा काम, ऊंची, ये अमन वाले, ये एम्बेसडर ऑफ पीस होते हैं, ये एग्जाम्पल होते हैं. हजरत इमाम मुस्लिम उस वक्त अगर ऑर्डर दे देते, इब्न ज़ियाद का भी काम खत्म हो जाता, इनको पावर मिल जाती. लेकिन इब्न ज़ियाद वाज वेरी क्लेवर. उसके पास 30 people inside, wealthy people. इनको आप लोग क्या कहते हैं, जो बहुत ज्यादा हमारे पाकिस्तान में तो वडेरा, जागीरदार, यहाँ उनके लिए क्या नोटेबल पीपल, रिच पीपल क्या कहते हैं, वही जो big personalities like by wealth and trade. 30 people was inside. Ibn Ziyad told them, look, those people with Imam Muslim standing, someone your cousin, someone your son or your brother or relative, tell them Yazid's army coming, and if they're not leaving Imam Muslim alone, then I will kill them, and their ladies I will make slave, and their children I will make also my servants, and all properties I will confiscate, so they have no chance. And you people also, they said, if you don't go and not giving my order, I will kill you also. तो ये जो दुनिया के लोग होते हैं, वे डरते हैं बहुत, बुज़दिल होते हैं, जल्दी कंप्रोमाइज कर लेते हैं, वो ऊपर चढ़े, वो हमको मार दिया जाएगा, हमारी औरतों को मार दिया जाएगा, तुमको मार दिया जाएगा, लीव इमाम मुस्लिम, गो होम, टेक रेस्ट, एंजॉय योर लाइफ, डोंट गिव सपोर्ट टू इमाम मुस्लिम। 2 उधर से निकले, 4 उधर से, 10 उधर से, विद इन 2 hours 39,500 people left Hazrat Imam Muslim alone. जिन्होंने कसमें खाकर बैत की, they took oath on the Quran, we won't leave you, they all went away. उस दिन से कहा जाता है कूफी ना यूफी, कूफी कूफे वाला वफा करता नहीं, सब पर अप्लाई नहीं होता, लेकिन लोगों में मशहूर हो गया। हजरत इमाम मुस्लिम ने उन 500 को कहा, चलो चल के नमाज पढ़ते हैं, और सोचते हैं जो लोग चले गए, हाउ वी मस्ट कॉल देम बैक। जब इमाम आगे खड़े हुए नमाज पढ़ाने, वो 500 बिहाइंड हिम, इमाम ने नमाज पढ़ के सलाम फेरा तो पीछे एक भी नहीं था, सब आ गए। उसी कूफा में हजरत इमाम मुस्लिम के लिए अब कोई प्लेस नहीं थी, where you can spend a night or can eat anything. जिन लोगों ने कसमें खाई थी, साथ छोड़ गए। Everyone left him alone. I want to know, I'm talking about which people? Shiane Ali. Which people? Loudly? Today, why they beating their chest? Why they crying? Why they moving on fire? ये आज तक रोते हैं, रिग्रेट कि हमने क्या किया। उठाओ किताबें, ऑल हिस्ट्री बुक। आफ्टर मर्डर ऑफ हजरत इमाम हुसैन, that time Hazrat Zainab, Hazrat Imam Zainul Abidin, other people, all they were arrested on the camels। वो क्या उसके कहते हैं, ऊपर सीट भी नहीं लगाई थी, इनको बांधा हुआ था, they tied with camels open skin and moving around the Karbala and Kufa's lanes and all the market area। तो ये कूफा वाले वहां मातम कर रहे थे और रो रहे थे। हजरत सैयदा ज़ैनब ने कहा, रोको यहाँ पर, and she asked, who invite Hazrat Imam Hussain? And that time Imam Muslim came, who took bayat on his head? वो तुम नहीं थे क्या? वो तुम ही थे। फिर जब इब्ने ज़ियाद आया, इमाम मुस्लिम का साथ छोड़कर कौन इब्ने ज़ियाद से मिला? क्या वो तुम नहीं थे? फिर करबला में इमाम के मुकाबले पर कौन आया? क्या वो तुम नहीं थे? उन्होंने कहा, मैं ये दुआ करती हूं तुम कयामत तक इसी तरह रोते पीटते रहो। हजरत इन उर्दू we call बद्दुआ। According to Hadith and according to Quran and Sunnah, there is no बद्दुआ, but Urdu people call bad दुआ। दुआए ज़रर कह ले या ऐसी दुआ जिसमें दूसरे के नुकसान की बात हो, उर्दू पीपल कॉल बद्दुआ, बैड दुआ। लेकिन हजरत सैयदा ज़ैनब ने दुआ की कि तुम रोते पीटते रहो। That is why till today they just beating and everything they do, because they are killer of Imam Hussain. You know, I'm talking the proof with me, all the proof. हजरत इमाम मुस्लिम को इब्ने ज़ियाद ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया, he arrested him, and Hazrat Imam Muslim that time went in the governor house. He didn't make salam to Ibn Ziyad. There was one policeman says, why you didn't make salam with the governor? So Hazrat Imam Muslim replied, if he think about us, अगर इसको अहले बैते रसूल की इज्जत प्यारी है और ये ईमान वाला है और ये हमारी भलाई चाहे तो इस पर सलाम ही सलाम है, वरना इसके लिए कोई सलाम लाउडली लाउडली भाई जो मैं लाउडली कहता हूं ताकि आपको ये इस पर कंसंट्रेट करें। यहां से पता चला जो नबी की आल की इज्जत न करे उसको सलाम नहीं करना चाहिए। If any person insult Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, insult the companion of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, insult the progeny or Ahle Bayt household of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we not allowed to make salam with him or her. You know the command of Sharia? That's why I told you. आप कहोगे no is against courtesy. तो आपको तो courtesy बहुत लग रही है. If anybody talk bad about you or your mother, can you make salam with him? So means you have more respect. Your family have more respect. Prophet family have no respect. तो जो नबी का अदब नहीं करता उस पर सलाम हो सकता नहीं. We can't make salam. We can't salute him or her. Keep in mind. इब्ने ज़ियाद ने कहा तुम लोगों ने यहां बगावत की है. आपने फरमाया बागी वो होता है जो पहले बादशाह तस्लीम कर ले और फिर जाए. हमने तो यजीद को बादशाह माना ही नहीं, तो बगावत कैसी. इब्ने ज़ियाद ने कहा कि तुम यजीद की बैअत करो और ये वादा करो जब इमाम हुसैन आएंगे उनसे भी बैअत करवाओगे तो छोड़ूंगा, वरना नहीं. फरमाया ना मैं बैअत करूंगा ना इमाम हुसैन करेंगे. उसने ऑर्डर दिया इनको रूट पे ले जाओ और इनको भी कत्ल कर दो. हजरत मुस्लिम ने उस वक्त 3 वसीयतें, जिसको आप लास्ट विल कहते हैं, 3 वसीयतें की. कहा कि मेरे I have to pay someone's loan. I owe money from someone, so my horse and my weapons please sell and pay that for money I have owed. उस वक्त भी उनको ख्याल है कर्जा अदा करने का. And today how we eat money other people. That time we need, oh please brother help me. Allah will give you lot of reward. Whole life I will remember you and I will become your servant. And that time have to say, I don't know who are you. We do like that or not? If I don't know what you call 3 cent, how much? 3 paise. Of today's time, according to Pakistan, about 40 to 50 rupees only. And I can say 4 to 5 rand of South African currency. अगर आपने किसी के 4 और 5 रैंड खा लिए, एटा लोन लिया या वैसे खा लिए, in the day of Qiyamah you have to pay 700 your namaz to him. How much? 700. Loudly. अगर आपके पास 700 नमाज on the day of judgment नहीं होगी तो आपको अपने दूसरी नेकियां देनी पड़ेगी. Whatever your good deed, have to give him. If you don't have any good deed, then his all sins you have to take on you. Only for 4 or 5 rand. And today what we doing? 4 पैसे के लिए हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? We have to think. So if you owe money from someone, if you can't pay, go to him and tell him, I'm not able to pay, please forgive me. Whenever come, I will pay. But if you have and you're not paying, or you took from anyone's pocket, जिसका चोरी कर लेते हैं, only for 4 or 5 rand, this much punishment, it's big than you think. I told this in Pakistan also, not here. वहां पर जो छोटी चोरी करे वो जेल में जाता है, जो बड़ी चोरी करे वो प्रेसिडेंट बन जाता है. Take only 1-2,000, you have to go jail. If you know bribe people and take about millions, then you become president. This happening today. Keep in mind, Hazrat Imam Muslim said 700 dirham I have to pay. So my horse and my vehicle please sell, and whatever that money comes to pay my, because keep in mind, listen carefully, shaheed. What I said? Loudly. शहीद मार्टर कहते हैं उसको. मार्टर वो जो शहीद है उसका खून ब्लड डॉट जमीन पर बाद में गिरता है, वो जन्नत में अपना पैलेस पहले देख लेता है. ब्लड कम ऑन अर्थ आफ्टरवर्ड एंड ही कैन सी हिज palace in Jannah before. But Allah will forgive all the sins of a martyr person. उसका भी कर्ज माफ नहीं होता. Loan. If you owe money from someone, even he is shaheed, Allah won't forgive him. Keep in mind. दूसरी वसीयत क्या करता हूँ? When they will kill me, they will take my head out from my body. Please, any nice place, please you bury my body. And third wasiyat, please inform in any way to Imam Hussain from my side and tell him don't come to Kufa. Ibn Siyad replied about his that money is not concerned, but about other two things nobody fulfilled that. I'm ordering that his body is now what we want to do with it. His body we will do. And nobody can stop Imam Hussain. Ma'azallah. He said, हमने उनको ही तो सजा दे दी है, उनको कोई नहीं रोकेगा. इमाम रोने लग गए. इमाम ने उस वक्त मदीने की तरफ मुंह किया, मक्का की तरफ. ऐ सबा बदा बराए खुदा ताला, बसूए काबा जरा गुजर कर, फर्जंदे नबी हुसैन है माँ, तू उनको तलाश दर बदर कर, उनको मेरा सलाम पहुंचा कर, फिर बयां हाल सर बसर कर. जब आए अहले कूफा की बताना और मेरे कत्ल की खबर कर, जालिमों पे वफा है ये कूफी, इनकी बातें न सुन हजर कर. और कहते कि ऐ जफा रसीदा, अज बहरे खुदा न रुख इधर कर, मुस्लिम ने तो तुझ पे जान फिदा की, तू काबे में बापियत बसर कर. Imam Muslim was reading that time kalima, and that person appointed to give punishment, he took his sword and applied on his neck. उनका सर तन से जुदा कर दिया. इन्ना लिल्लाहि व इन्ना इलैहि राजिऊन. Some historian wrote that time Hazrat Muslim went Kufa, his two small children, Muhammad and Ibrahim, also that time they went with him. Now Ibn Ziyad heard that with Imam Muslim two sons also came. So he announced who will bring news to me about Muslim sons, or will bring them to me in a life condition. I will give him so much wealth and reward and everything. Now wahi Kufi, wahi Shiane Ali, same people, अब पैसे के लिए उन बच्चों को ढूंढ रहे हैं. Why? They want to take them to Ibn Ziyad to get money, to get wealth. इन दोनों बच्चों को सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ जेल, जिसका नाम था मशकूर, उसने इनको अरेस्ट नहीं किया, इनको वहां से निकाल दिया कि किसी तरह ये चले जाए. इब्ने ज़ियाद को पता चला, उसने मशकूर को बुलाया, सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ जेल. व्हाई यू रिलीज द मुस्लिम सन्स? You are on duty. You can't do against my command. Why you release them? So Mashkur replied, those children belong to family of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I can't put them in jail. मैं उनको जेल में नहीं डाल सकता. कल अल्लाह को क्या मुंह दिखाऊंगा? Ibn Ziyad told, you did wrong, so I won't leave you. He killed him as well. But Mashkur that time left this world. He said, मैंने आले रसूल की खिदमत की है, अल्लाह जरूर मुझे माफ कर देगा. there is one side people who love family of Prophet and attachment of Holy Prophet, and other side people need only money. You can feel difference. These two sons, small age, according to history, about 12 years, 13 years, small age, ये दोनों डेजर्ट में चल रहे हैं, वॉट्स बन जाते हैं, छाले बन जाते हैं. इनको तकलीफ, वहां पर एक शख्स था, हारिस. There was one person in suburb of Kufa. They went in his house. उसकी जो wife थी, wife of Haris, she had lot of love for family of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But Haris himself wanted money, so he killed both children, both sons, and he killed his wife. He killed his own son because they don't want to give him both. So he killed wife, he killed son, and he killed Imam Muslim's sons also. But he did not get any wealth. That time he went with the heads of both sons to Ibn Ziyad. Ibn Ziyad said, "What you brought?" He said, "Your enemy's head." Who's my enemy? The Muslim son. Who called them my enemy? They are small children. I only announce whoever give me news or bring them alive to me, he will get whatever award and reward. Why you brought them? So he gave whole story that my wife and my son don't want to give me chance. So he said, "You did wrong. If tomorrow Yazid asks me about these two children, but I will reply." So he killed him as well. उसको कुछ भी मिला, जो दुनिया के पीछे भागे, दुनिया उसके हाथ आती नहीं. Same day when Hazrat Imam Muslim कत्ल किए गए, शहीद किए गए कूफा में, same day Hazrat Imam Hussain with his family he left Makkah towards Kufa.